Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein, the Einstein of Wall Street from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. September 20th, coming into the end of the quarter, huge S&P rebalance, volume 2.8 billion shares. Huge day volume-wise. Directionality was kind of negative, although we did hit virtually record highs today. Maybe 0.5% off the records today, but as I always say, we were one tweet or one little bit, a tidbit of headline away from this market selling off, and that happened. Apparently, El Presidente annoyed the Chinese enough to take their delegation that was going to Montana to meet farmers and grab their ball and leave the playground, ladies and gentlemen, along with a little word from the Fed Bullard, who said that we should be really aware of the fact that some of the economy is showing signs of recession, and we should be aware of that moment. All those things together took the market from up about 100 to down about 200, and the market really never recovered on the day. If you look at the screen behind me, you'll see it was a solid green day all day. Around 115, fell off a cliff, and we never recovered. So it was a big day. It was a big week. We've seen a lot going on here. The Russell, the small cap, mid caps have been for sale all week long, and they're closing out the week down 2 handles. The S&P sold off on the news today about the Chinese leaving town. That was down 15 handles. Once that did happen, the sell-off midday, we broke through 27,000 in the Dow, we broke through 3,000 in the S&P. We were not able to recover at all. So there was a lot on the table for the week. We're coming into the end of the month. Where do we stand? So, Fed lowered rates on Wednesday. Market did go a little bit wild, but we did have a constructive build of a base back into the marketplace for the 2 days after the Fed's announcement. That's what left us into the 1 o'clock post today. But with the headline about the Chinese still causing fragility, anxiety, and unknowns in the marketplace, that will be the gift that keeps on giving. I got nothing left to say. You know what? I'm tired. It was a crazy week. We did, unfortunately, break through these support levels, which I thought was going to be a building of a base going forward, and they may be once again on Monday. We'll take that up against on Monday. But the headlines on the Chinese keeps to be the gift that keeps on giving. When we have a deal in the wings, this market is solid. When we don't, it breaks down. But there is a market. This morning, we had $7.5 billion come into the marketplace on a Friday. Option expiration, S&P rebalanced, and the market buyers did absorb that sell side. We ended up posting $1 billion to buy on the opening, and the market seems strong. But as I said, that crazy Chinese story is the one that just keeps fracturing the marketplace, and that's what we got. All that being said, I'm closing out the week, breaking down a little below 27 in the Dow, a little below S&P 3000. We'll take it up again on Monday. Einstein on Wall Street. I'll see you again on Monday. Later.